When it comes to sexual performance anxiety and erection problems, if you have the thought, I'm not normal, then this video is for you. Remember to press the red box subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner so that you can get the newest videos. Okay, so what about this thought, I'm not normal? First of all, I want to say it is normal to have this thought, especially when we're experiencing performance anxiety and erection problems. Why do we have these kind of thoughts? Because this challenge in our life contradicts so many ideas that we have in our mind about what it is to be a man, or how society views masculinity, or how I am in a relationship. If I can't satisfy my partner, then I'm not normal, or if I can't get hard, then I'm not normal. So this is why it is a normal question to be asking. And first of all, I want to say it's okay. It's all right to be asking yourself that question. What we want to make sure we are aware of, though, is that we're not spending too much time in the land of pity and feeling bad at ourselves, adding more shame and more guilt. Why do we want to make sure that we don't do that? Because it adds more stress, it adds more pressure, and stress is the number one thing really that leads to sexual performance anxiety and erection challenges is usually to do with some form of stress in our life. And we can add to that stress, and when we stack on top of it, it makes things even worse. So that's why we want to be aware of, am I spending too much time feeling sorry for myself and not taking action? Which leads me to the second point. It's uncomfortable to take action, right? It's uncomfortable to have a conversation with a doctor, a coach, a therapist about this. It's uncomfortable to take that step. But when we have those feelings of uncomfortability, that's when we know we're moving in the right direction. It's much easier to sit at home watching videos, reading things about this, trying to figure out what's wrong with me. And before we know it, we can spend weeks, months, sometimes even years doing that without really trying new things to get the results and get this sorted in our life so that we can feel normal again. So what I would like to say to you is, below in the comments you will find a link to the performance anxiety quiz. If this feels uncomfortable to do this and take this quiz, that's how you know you're going in the right direction. This is a free quiz. It's 10 yes or no questions that you ask yourself, and I will then send you your personal score and also your report so we can get to the bottom of what's going on and then get the right tools and strategies to get this sorted so that you can feel normal again. We're doing this so that you can spend less time, so that we spend less time in that feeling sorry, adding more stress, adding more pressure to ourselves, and that we can start taking action with the right tools to get this sorted. Okay, so if that sounds good to you, to feel normal again, which I think for all of us that sounds like, yes, I want that, then head to the comments below, click on that link, it will take you straight to the quiz where you can answer the first question. I will see you there.